Oh my God.
Okay, Roland, get ready. Get ready. Get your gun right. Get your gun up. I want you to shoot at him, okay?
Want me to shoot
Yeah.
this? Tell
Hold
me
on.
when.
Hold on, Roland. Okay, shoot him, Roland.
Go.
Shoot him, Roland. Did you get him?
4? We shot 4? 3? I think we shot 3.
Ooh, watch that one. Watch that one. That one's going down. That other one's hit. Good shooting, guys.
We're the
Good job, Roland.
retrievers.
Good shooting.
I'll go get them.
Okay.
I'll go get
Did you shoot, Rolly?
No.
What do you mean no?
Just taking it all in, man.
That was awesome. Sweet. Kids are loving it. Look at that shit. You getting video of that?
Oh yeah, I forgot the...
Look at your hand shaking. T's gonna be pissed. He just drove right by and had his chance. That one is hit.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, bring him back. Bring him back.
These other ones might get spooked. You think?
Share. What's that? Look at Noah.
These other ones on the field over here might get nervous. Oh, that got me. My legs are shaking. Bad. Tell him here comes some more.
Come on, guys, hurry up.
Here comes some more. Still talking the same woman?
Hey, what bulls hey, what length are my bulls? High, low, or medium?
Oh, they're medium. Good job. Come on, bring him back. Good job. This is Mackenzie's first goose hunt. Bring him all the way back to the blind and hurry up and get back in.
Hurry, there's gonna be more, you guys.
I'm choking.
Awesome job. Awesome job. Okay, put him on the back side of the blind. Okay. Come on, get back in the blind. Hurry up. Get in the blind. Hurry up.
Why? More coming?
Well, hopefully. They're not if you're going to be standing out there. Hurry up. Get in.
How many did we get down?
We got 2 down.
Oh! There's another.
Okay. Hurry up. Get in. Roland, put your safety back on.
Go on.
Turn your sight off. All right.
Okay.
Mackenzie, hurry up. Get in the blind.
He's moving.
Get in the blind.
Let's get in the blind. We'll die.
Was that pretty cool?
Yeah. 2 geese.
2 geese. Awesome deal. All right, get back in your positions.
Christmas dinner.
Yep.
And how much will the medium kick?
Not much.
You didn't shoot, Rolly?
No.
Why not? Why didn't you shoot?
And I was going to trigger and it wouldn't fire as
Oh,
much.
so your safety was still on.
No, it was off.
That's okay. It's a good deal.
2 more geese to shoot. Yeah.
Yep. That's cool.
I don't like it if 2 more just came that way and we shot them.
Yep, maybe. They might.
Only shooting 3 inches.
I got 2 of these.
You got, yep. Cool. Awesome. Now we'll wait for some more.
I probably shot
Success. We didn't get skunked. Hooray.